Hi, I'm Ian Crosby, CEO of Sequana Medical. At Sequana Medical, we have made excellent clinical progress towards key milestones in our two areas of strategic focus: liver disease and NASH in North America, and heart failure in North America and Europe. We recently announced interim data from our Red Desert heart failure study. This is the first time that we have treated patients repeatedly with our direct sodium removal therapy, and the data from these first 5 patients indicated it to be safe and effective. In these heart failure patients who were all on high doses of diuretic drugs, we were able to safely maintain their sodium and fluid balance with our alpha pump DSR system without the need for any of those diuretics, and showed that we could restore their response to diuretic drugs. After completing DSR treatment, all of the patients were able to manage their disease with dramatically lower doses of diuretics, and the benefit is still seen months later. This is really exciting aspect that we'll be exploring further, both in heart failure and other disease areas. We are enrolling up to 5 additional patients and anticipate announcing top-line data from the Red Desert study in the first half of 2021. We've also announced early interim data from the Poseidon study, our North American pivotal study of the alpha pump for the treatment of recurrent or refractory ascites due to liver cirrhosis. Results from this study will be used to support our commercial marketing application and reimbursement of the alpha pump in the US and Canada. Data from the first 13 roll-in patients show a reduction of over 90% in the need for therapeutic paracentesis after the implantation of the alpha pump compared to baseline. We saw a fast and persistent improvement in their quality of life scores, indicating a clinically relevant improvement in their physical and general health. Safety appears to be in line with expectations, and the reported events were generally those seen in decompensated cirrhotic patients. The Poseidon study is currently ongoing, and interim data of the full roll-in cohort is expected in the first half of 2021, and primary endpoint readout of the study is expected in the first quarter of 2022. These data are another important milestone for us and the next step in bringing these much needed treatment options to patients in North America. We have taken very important steps in our journey to revolutionize the management of fluid overload in patients where diuretic drugs are no longer effective. We are using our alpha pump platform to bring new treatment options to patients with recurrent or refractory liver ascites and patients with fluid overload due to heart failure. We do hope that you will follow us as we progress with clinical development, and if successful, bring alpha pump to patients in need.